Good morning, one and all. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about genetic algorithms. Genetic algorithms are the heuristic search and optimization techniques that mimic the purpose of natural evolution. For example, giraffe has a long neck. It is a nature, so it is an example for genetic algorithm. Thus, the genetic algorithm implement the optimization strategies by simulating evolution of species through natural selection. This is a simple genetic algorithm steps. So, genetic algorithm operators and parameters. There are three types. First one is selection, second one is crossover, and third one is mutation. What is selection? Selection operator, the process that determines which solutions are to be preserved and allowed to reproduce and which ones deserve to die out. The primary objective of selection operator is to emphasize the good solutions and eliminate the bad solutions in a population while keeping the population size constant. The main process is selecting the best and discards the rest is the main aim of selection operator. And the functions of a selection operator, it identifies a good solution in a population, make a multiple copies of good solution, and eliminate bad solutions from the population to perform. Next, crossover. So how to implement this crossover? The crossover operator is used to create new solutions from the existing solution available in the matching pool. After applying selection operator, this operator exchanges the gene information between the solutions in the matching pool. So the encoding of solution is necessary so that our solutions look like a chromosome. How the encoding is implemented? The process of representing a solution in the form of a string that conveys the necessary information, just as in the chromosome. Each gene controls a particular characteristics of the individual. Similarly, each bit in the string represents a characteristics of a solution. Next, crossover operator. The most popular crossover selects any two solution strings randomly from the matching pool, and some portion of the strings is exchanged between these strings. The selection point is selected randomly. The probability of crossover is also introduced in order to give freedom to an individual solution string to determine whether the solution would go for crossover or not. So it has various types: binary crossover. So next one is mutation operator. It is an occasionally introduction of few features into the solution string of the population pool to maintain diversity in the population. Though crossover has the main responsibility to search for the optimal solution, mutation is also used for this purpose. Next, classical optimization techniques. It is useful in finding the optimum solution or unconstrained maxima or minima of continuous and differentiable functions. These are analytical methods and make use of differential calculus in locating the optimum solution. The classical methods have limited scope in practical applications, as some of them involve objective functions which are not continuous. Yet, the study of these classical techniques of optimization from a basic of developing most of the numerical techniques that have evolved in advanced techniques more suitable to today's practical problems. So these methods assume that the function is differentiable twice with respect to the design variables and that the derivatives are continuous. So three main problems can be handled by the classical optimization technique. First one is single variable and multivariable function with no constraints, and multivariable function with both equality and inequality constraints. So the other method of optimization. Another methods of optimization. First one is linear programming. It is a study the case in which the objective function f is linear and a set A is specified using only linear equalities and inequalities. Integer programming. It is a study of linear program in which some or all variables are constrained to take an integer value. Next, quadratic programming. It allows the objective function to have quadratic terms while the set A must be specified with linear equalities and inequalities. Nonlinear programming, general in which the objective function or the constraints are both contain nonlinear parts. Next, stochastic programming. Some of the constraints depend on random variables. Next, dynamic programming studies the case in which the optimization strategy is based on splitting the problem into smaller sub-problems. Next, combinational optimization. With the problems where the set of feasible solution is discrete or can be reduced to a discrete one. Next, infinite dimensional optimization. It is a study when the set of feasible solution in a subset of an infinite dimensional space such as a space of functions. Next, constraint satisfaction. Study the case in which the objective function f is constant. This is used in artificial intelligence, particularly in automated reasoning. Genetic concepts, that mean basic concepts of genetics. So what is genetics? It is a study of heredity, the process in which the parent passes certain genes onto their children. What does that mean? If a children inherit their biological parents' genes that express specific traits such as some physical characteristics or natural talents and genetic disorders, it's called as an heredity. So what is that basic concept means? Heredity describes how some traits are passed from parents to their children. The traits are expressed by genes, which are a small section of DNA that are coded from specific traits. Genes are found on chromosomes. Generally, humans have two sets of 23 chromosomes, one set from each parent. Thank you.